Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm staying at Scarborough because there's a tall ship in. The ship will be moored at North Wharf Quay in Scarborough and open daily to the public. A 16th century Spanish galleon has docked in Scarborough this week. A full-scale replica of the Nau Victoria, which became the first ship to circumnavigate the globe more than 500 years ago. Scarborough is set to host a replica of the Spanish ship Nau Victoria, known for being the first to successfully circumnavigate the globe, with doors opening to the public from Thursday, June 26th, to Sunday, July 6th. In 1519, the Nau Victoria left the Andalusian city of Sevilla as part of the expedition led by Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan. Part of a 5-ship fleet, the Victoria was the only one to complete the navigation after Magellan's death in battle in what is now the Philippines. Spaniard Juan Sebastián Elcano commanded the ship, and it returned to Sevilla in 1522 as the only surviving ship of the expedition. A carrack, or a nau in Spanish. The ship returned with just 18 members of its original crew of 260 still on board, with others captured by the Portuguese or dead due to scurvy. Others left the expedition during the grueling 3-year journey. The original Victoria was then lost while traveling from the Antilles to Sevilla in 1570. Scarborough is gearing up for the Maritime Heritage event at North Wharf Quay, hoping to replicate the success of last summer's attraction, the Galleon Andalusia. Councillor Mark Crane of North Yorkshire Council's executive commented, "Scarborough is a hugely popular destination for families, especially at this time of year, and it's great to be able to add the Nau Victoria to the town's offering this summer."